This project is my attempt to create a toy for my grandson. It is modeled after video and photos of the epic Earth Island Wubbox singing monster. My focus was to design and 3D print the parts that give the singing monster its identity and make those parts able to connect to the stem toy ball clip and clip pieces that I have utilized as the neck, arms and legs. This allows the toy to be posed and allows it to be more animated. I am new to 3D design and printing. My designs are created on Tinkercad and I use Lychee Slicer to prep for prints. Note: lift the objects at least 5 mm when generating supports. My equipment is Elegoo Saturn 3 resin printer with 12K resolution and I prefer to use Cerea resins or mix to create a more durable print. For this project I used a 50-50 mix of tough and flex resins which has a firm but slightly rubbery feel prior to curing. Remember that curing increases hardness.